Hi, it's Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media. I'm here at Breakbulk Europe at the AD Port stand, and I've got Jacob with me. Welcome, Jacob.
Thank you so much, Leslie. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, it's great to be here with you. Uh, Give us an update on AD Ports. What's going on with
Well,
you?
a lot of things are going on. Of course, we're here with our partners, Noatum, which form part of our logistics cluster. We joined with them last year, and this is the first year that we're here jointly. And I have to say, it's been a magnificent event seeing our customers, our business partners, and having new conversations about the new projects that are going on around the world. In the UAE specifically, which is our home, we've got a lot of oil and gas projects coming up. So this organization here couldn't have come at a better time.
Absolutely. That's, I think, on everybody's lips throughout this conference is the huge potential of oil and gas. We're hearing so much about that. And despite some unrest in parts of the world, there are a lot of project opportunities. So a lot of reason to feel optimistic.
Yeah, I think, look, oil and gas is one side, but of course, renewable energies is also driving a huge part of the project industry. We've got a large number of wind farms coming up in the region, which is very exciting. So it's both the conventional energy, but also the renewable energies that are really driving our project cargoes these days.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'm also hearing about from several EPCs that we've talked to who are buying fabrication yards different places in the Middle East to be closer to projects and build components right there. Are you seeing that trend?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we've got both in our flagship port in Khalifa Port. We've got a number of tenants already building and fabricating different modules, both sub-assembly and then full assembly. We've got our port in Mugag, which is more dedicated for oil and gas, where we see an increased amount of interest from a number of EPCs to take anything from laydown yards to offshore bases to manufacturing facilities. So you're absolutely right. This is another big driver for what seems to be another boost for the project logistics industry in the Middle East.
Yeah, I think it's all looking good. So tell me, how has your experience been at Breakbulk Europe?
It's been exceptional. Our team has been here for consecutive years. This is the first year that I'm participating myself. And I have to say, it's exceeded my expectations on every level. The amount of people, the quality of people that are here, decision makers from all aspects of the supply chain. You can have in-depth conversations about new business. You can have conversations with existing partners, and you can jointly go and meet different people. I think after COVID, we're still just getting out of that whole non-face-to-face situation. So it's been exceptional, really. And we'll definitely be back next year. We also participate in one in Dubai, which is also growing very rapidly. So yeah, we're very excited to partner with the Breakbulk organization.
We love being your partner. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.